Today we're going to have a little bit of fun. We're gonna take the new guns, the Space AK-47 or whatever it's called, and Space LMG. So these are the proper names. This is a Killshot Payback rifle, and this one is Pulverizer Payback LMG. This gun can fire two kinds of bullets. One is ballistic from the first barrel, and the second one is a laser from the barrel underneath. And this is all about power. This LMG fires strong but very slow. So we're gonna go in a bunker today and we're gonna test these guns. We're gonna see how good they are. Let's have fun. Alright, so here we are approaching an ASD facility in a new ship. So stay tuned for the review of this ship. My first impressions were bad, but my second impressions are completely changed. Don't hesitate to subscribe and find out what changed my mind. Now let's go in the ASD facility and test the guns. So apparently in this new patch there are new cards added throughout the ASD facilities which we can loot and then open these doors which lead directly to the new snake. So hopefully if we have some luck we can find a few of them and maybe even attack the snake. So we're gonna first start with AK-47 or whatever it's called in the game. For me it's AK-47. Killshot, okay, Killshot gun. Now I haven't modded it anything, I just want to see how does it look like stock. But if we find some mods we can upgrade it. Ooh. Oh my god, this is good. Recoil is a little bit hard, but everything else looks awesome. Let's switch to LMG. Oh my god. This is devastating. This gun gonna be nerfed. It's very imprecise. But once it hits, wow. Oh my god. Close quarters, this gun devastate. This is the most OP gun right now in Star Citizen, no question about it. Check this out. 1, 2, 3. 3 shots. How did he survive that? Oh, no boxes in LSD facilities. I don't know if this is a bug or something, but you cannot loot anything here. There they are. Oh, it's really strong. Okay, the boxes are back. There's one here. One shot, one kill. Oh, I like the LMG. This gun definitely will be nerfed, mark my words. Look at these canisters, oh my god. I would just wish that this gun doesn't have these stupid bones on it. Just bare metal. But hey, maybe they are copying the Vandal, so that's why it has the bones. Seems that this gun doesn't have drawbacks. Maybe a little bit harder to shoot on the further. Nice. The CG said that this gun will fire slow, but look how fast it shoots. I would definitely keep the strength of the gun, but will reduce the speed of shooting. So instead of do-do-do-do-do, maybe doof, 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 doof. Let's try to snipe some guys with this thing. Sniper down. Let's try the AK-1. Very hard to hit with this one when it's a little bit further. Huge recoil, but it goes. Once you hit it, devastates. Oh my god, now we cannot go through these doors. We have to actually go on the elevator and above. This actually really looks nice. Yeah, you can actually see one laser, one gun. Let's jump here. Got him. Wait, I healed myself. What? So this is where I died last time. Like 4 snipers shot me immediately. So now that we are down, watch out for the sniper over there. Let's go. This is the snake pit. The doors are closed. No snake.
Unfortunate.
Then maybe airlock. Wait, fingers crossed.
Nice.
Oh, nice. We're gonna have the snake. Prepare yourself. Repull ammo. Reload.
I'm gonna need hella ammo. I've only got 100 rounds.
I'm gonna drop here more for you. Pulling the lever. Oh my god, there it is. Oh shoot. Ooh, that was a nice explosion. That thing doesn't want to explode.
I'll just drop it in the water.
Yeah.
Opa.
Ooh.
Scary boy.
Yep. Shoot him at the glowing parts. Nice. Now there will be second one. Where did he go? There he is. I think they improved the snake. It looks much more nasty than it was before. Better graphics.
It's actually moving.
Yeah, and it can fire both of us.
Oof.
Oh, I almost died. Heal. Oh, there's the other one. What the hell? Run behind the cover.
I'll stay with this one.
I'm gonna shoot that one too. We need at least one dead.
Staggered this one.
Nice. What the hell? Ooh, they are burning like hell. They are really dangerous. Oh, they are both together.
I just caught a laser blast to the face.
Damn, stop! What the hell? Tier 3 injury.
Same.
They are nasty as hell.
Almost out of ammo too.
Oh my god, they're destroying.
The rocks.
The worst part is once they hit you like that everything starts to glow. Tier 1 injury. Shoot.
Can't have shit in ASD.
I can't shoot anymore. Can't hold the gun. What? Barely can walk. And I'm dead. Wow,
Jack
those
Nickel.
snakes are nasty.
Mick.
You have to revive me in 50 seconds.
Oof. I fell in the water.
And we're dead, both of us. Snakes are nasty, the guns are amazing. Okay, now it requires a key card. But one of my friends said that you can actually glitch through this door. Okay, I mean... Alright. So I take the elevator to side B immediately. I'm interested where we're gonna go. Okay. Oh, cool. I'm already where the snake is. Hopefully the door opens this time. But the snakes looks much more nastier this time than the day before. Okay. The doors are opening. Nice. I'm gonna probably die this time and wait for you to come back, then we can go the third time together. Okay, I'm inside. Oh, so they reset. It's back. The beast is back. They do a lot of damage. Whoa! Almost killed me through the rock. Bastard. Oh, I think I don't have any more healing. I'm gonna be dead soon. But the LMG is the best gun to kill this snake. Fire 3. Gonna shoot a little bit more until I die. Dead. Damn snake. She's nasty. So yeah, that was it. The first test of the new LMG and also the new AK-47 space version. So overall, these guns are really powerful. AK-47 is really nice, but it has a lot of recoil. And yeah, I don't like the bones on either of them, but it is what it is. The LMG is just OP right now. It's the best gun in the game, no question about it. You can use it as a sniper, you can use it like to kill everything. The bullets of this are just crazy. We didn't manage to kill the snake, never mind, but we're gonna try it later again. But still, the gun is really amazing. What do you guys think about both of the guns? Write me down in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't hesitate to subscribe, like and share. Until next video, have fun out there.